Hey guys, I'm celebrity hairstylist Sarah Potempa, and I'm here to show you guys how to get gorgeous glam waves. To get this look, you want to start by sectioning your hair in the back and bringing it all forward. So we're going to section the hair right here. We're going to twist the hair up. You're going to place the hair in near the ends, and you're actually going to rotate it towards the face. This is going to give you a really glamorous, beautiful feel. You're going to open up the clamp, slide it straight down. You want to wait about 5 minutes until the hair is completely cool before we brush it out. We're going to remove the clips. You're going to see we have a nice bouncy curl on the top. The first thing you want to do is spray the brush with the flexible hairspray. All you're going to do is take the hair all together, almost like as if it was a ponytail, brush it into one, and bring it down and bring all those waves together